Hello everyone, welcome back to Python 101. So today we're on week 21, yay, okay. Last time we talked about widgets, gadgets, same thing, and we were using iWidgets and interact from Python's library. And this week we're gonna keep talking about it and finish it this class. So using a function annotations with interact. You can also specify widget abbreviations using function annotations. Define a function with a checkbox widget abbreviation for the argument x. Right here. So if you remember, we're going to define f, we're going to call it f, and then x, colon, true. Now, we're going to return x. So that's a very simple widget, and now because the widget abbreviation has already been defined, you can then call interact with a single argument right here. And then the argument will be f because that is our thing. Interact not defined. Oh, yes. So, yes, I needed to import some stuff. Let's actually use the one we did last time here. Copy this here. And here we're gonna do the importing stuff. So as I said last time, we're gonna, from iWidgets, import interact and fixed. And then we're also gonna import, because we need an interact, and then we're gonna import iWidgets as widgets. So now we run that, we shouldn't have an error in interact, and then see there's a checkbox and then it makes it true or false. Now that's pretty easy. And that's kind of a review. All right, so next up, we're gonna talk about interactive a bit more. In addition to interact, IPython also provides another function, interactive. That is useful when you want to reuse the widgets that are produced or access the data that is bound to that UI controls. Note that unlike interact, the return value of the function will not be displayed automatically, but you can display a value inside the function with IPython display.display. What I mean is, now we're gonna create a function that returns the sum of its two arguments and displays them. The display line may also be omitted if you don't want to show the result. And then we're gonna do the define. We're gonna use kind of tuple unpacking here. So the tuples match up to each other. We're gonna display A plus B. We return A plus B. So here, unlike interactive returns a widget instance rather than immediately displaying the widget. So if we do W equals interactive, F A equals 20, and then B equals 10. Interactive. I forgot. Here I forgot. Display, I imported. Let's put that here. And then probably didn't. So Okay, so apparently if you just rerun this, everything we did so far, it won't show a problem. Meaning that if we just keep going, there won't be a problem. And if we try to do type of W, we get this. So it's interactive. Now, the children of interactive are two integer valued sliders and an output widget produced by the widget abbreviations above. So if we do W.children, we get this thingy, this thingy. To actually display the widgets, we just have to use the display function that we imported earlier, and I put here just to make sure everything's there. We do display W, and then we get the slider, and then as you can see, as I move the slider, this also changes because you have to add those numbers. So it's kind of useful but useless at the same time. And then here you can change it. All right, we got that problem solved. And yeah, let's keep going. Now, here we go. So we're gonna continue talking about interactive. At this point, the UI controls work just like Interact does. You can manipulate them and the function can be called whatever you want. However, the widget instance returned by the interactive also gives you access to the current keyword arguments and return value of the underlying Python function. Here are the current keyword arguments. If you rerun the cell after manipulating the sliders, the value will have changed. So w.keywords, remember it says it stands for keyword arguments. If you do that and then you do that, here we go, it always changes. And you can also do the result, return the result. And 19, if you change that, you're gonna have to change that. Or you don't have to change that first, but now, as you can see, you have to rerun the cell each time. And that's kind of it for that. Now, to save the document, you just press here. You can close that, close that. All right, now, the important things. You know where to go. Yes, here. And then here. Oh, Mr. Beast Gaming just got a new, oh. Ah, okay, so, no. So apparently Mr. Beast just got a new 10 minutes ago. Okay, make sure you check his new thing. All right, so you know how to go here and press it. All right, thank you everyone for being here and I'll see you next time. Bye.